Email marketing is dead. That's what you hear everybody talking about with all these distractions with social media and everything else. But in this video, is it really dead? I'm going to show you list building strategies that actually work. Let's go. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel right here where we help you convert your ideas into cash. You can get started by clicking the subscribe button and that notification button so you'll know when I'm uploading these videos. I'm putting out a ton of content. Let's jump right in. So the first thing I want to talk about is why would you even want to build an email list? Because I'm going to tell you, first of all, is the Google slap. Everybody got slapped. Google slapped. Amazon didn't actually let you have any emails whatsoever. They don't want you contacting your own customers. And Facebook actually has stopped a whole bunch of organic reach because they just want you to pay to play. And that's okay. But I'm just telling you that when you're reliant on an ad network or any platform whatsoever to contact your customers or your potential prospects, you are basically kind of at their mercy to their terms of service to figure out if you can even talk to your people. You have to have ad network compliance. So I'm going to give you an example. If you had marijuana products, because I don't want you to remember that in Colorado and different states, like even California now, that marijuana is legal. However, Facebook will not let you advertise marijuana on their network. So what does that mean for you? If you want to sell marijuana products to your followers or your subscribers, even on YouTube, you're going to have a problem talking to them through that ad network or through that platform. This is why you want to build an asset, and that email list is your asset. Once you have that email list, you have permission to contact these people and flat out just email them whatever you want to. Like, to give you another example really quick before we move to the next slide, Facebook has a no before and after photos clause in weight loss because they feel like people were being dishonest with their advertising. You can flat out put before and after pictures. Also, like you've seen Ty Lopez showing all of his money. Frank Kern actually got sued for showing too much money, saying that you were leaving the impression that people could make a ton of money just like you, and so we're going to slap you with a bunch of fines. Well, you don't have to be concerned about that when you're not using Google, when you're not using Facebook, and you're just using an email list. So is email dead? I'm going to talk about this really quickly before we leave out of here. And the quick answer to that is no. If you still have to sign in to use Google, and I want you to go to Amazon right now and see if you can purchase anything without signing in, do the same thing with eBay, and the answer is going to be no. So moving right along to organic list building strategies that work. This is for established marketers, and this is a big problem I see with everybody kind of going out there saying, hey, yeah, let's just build an email list, landing pages, and let's get all these opt-ins and get my lead magnet. If you have no traffic, then they're just going to sit there like boom, 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 boom. That's it. Nobody's going to actually get your lead magnet. It's just going to sit there looking around like, I wish I had some traffic so people would download me, and it's not going to happen. Newsletters. Saw one YouTuber say nobody's going to subscribe to a newsletter. Wrong answer. If you look at The Hustle, go ahead and check them out. They have 1 million subscribers on their newsletter. As a matter of fact, they have built an entire business just from people downloading a free newsletter. To say that newsletters don't work is bullshit. However, you need to tell people what benefits they'll have from downloading your newsletter. To give you just a short example really quickly right here at home, Nancy told me that she likes the Tiny House newsletter because she wants to know update builds, new plans that come out for the tiny houses, and she enjoys that newsletter, so she downloads it so she can get updated information. As long as your newsletter is relevant and they have a lot of benefits and free information in the newsletter, people will subscribe. Just don't put join my newsletter because that's not going to work. Lead magnets. We call this an ethical bribe or a content upgrade. And what that is what everybody else did, a video that you watched. I'm not going to talk about it a whole bunch here, but it's, download whatever. Like, for instance, you can go right now and download 45 pre-approved niches, or you could download my swipe files or whatever for an ethical bribe. So you give me your email address, I'll give you this lead magnet. Making those lead magnets, there's a ton of videos on YouTube to figure that out. I'm just going to give you these strategies that work. Moving on, something that I didn't see people talking about is Facebook groups. I build an insane list on my Facebook group because I offer to do giveaways, and I give away prizes and software. And right when they want to join my Facebook group, and you can do that too at funnelhackerpro.com, go there and check it out, and it'll ask you, would you like to give me your email address so we can put you in a contest to win software and other prizes? I'd get a ton of emails just doing that alone. YouTube, again, because you can go right down below and get my lead magnet. You don't need a website. You don't need to have an opt-in page if you don't want to. They can just sign right up right there. And I'll tell you another way they can do it, and that's on the next slide. That's going to be Facebook lead ads. Instagram and organic traffic is a great way to put your link for your opt-in page. Another thing that people don't do is contest and giveaway. I happen to use UpViral. I just offer a giveaway. Would you like to win this? And this is a lot of times how I grow my list as a bonus from the inside out. Once you've already joined my list, I offer you to win one of my courses for free if you refer 5 people to the newsletter. So I grow my list from the inside out, and I give them a special code that they can click on and build my email list from the inside out. I'll be doing a video about that shortly. Moving on. Here is the nitty gritty. This is what I really wanted to talk about. Paid list building strategies. Now, this is for the newbies. This is for you. The one thing that I really dislike, kind of rubs me the wrong way, is how everybody on YouTube is organic. You have to get the algorithm and this and that and the other, and everybody's kind of complaining. Remember, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn for business to business, Instagram, YouTube are all ad networks. You can pay them for reach. It's the reason why they did it. They gave away free reach in the beginning. They realized how much traffic people were getting. We kind of missed out on that if you didn't get in right away, like in 2012, 2013, 2014, when everything was really gravy. And on Google in 2007, 2008, 2009, it was easy to rank on Google. It was easy to get tons of reach on Facebook, but then they shut that down because they want you to pay. The same thing is going on, as a side note, here on YouTube. Before, if you had a lot of subscribers, everybody saw your content. Now what they're doing is, it doesn't matter if you have a lot of subscribers, we're only going to show a certain amount of your subscribers your content, and after that they're trying to play the SEO game and it's not working, or they're saying we can get in suggested videos and we're going to tell you how to do that. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is tell YouTube to show your subscribers your videos so you can sell your products. It is a business. UpViral is another good way that you can go through paying someone to give away your UpViral stuff, and you could pay an influencer. This is another way to grow your email list by using an influencer. So how that would work is, maybe you talking about Sonny, I would love to give your users one of my software, like my email marketing tools. I'm going to give away 1 year for free. Would you do that giveaway on your channel? Sure, no problem. I show that giveaway to my users, and they'll go logged into your UpViral campaign and say, yes, I want this free email software for a year. Now you're sharing your audience. They're sharing your audience. The influencer sharing their audience with you. So you get those email addresses. Also, as a bonus, I use PixelMe, and you can use put a pixel like the Facebook retargeting pixel, Google remarketing pixel, LinkedIn has one, Twitter has one as well, and obviously Instagram does too. And you can remarket and retarget the entire audience that clicked on your link that maybe not have opted in. You can retarget that. So you can basically take a snapshot, a picture of that influencer's audience of thousands of people that clicked on your link, and now you know they're interested in your product, and you can retarget them with ads. The next thing I want you to do is smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like this video, man. Also, send me a comment below. Let me know some of your techniques for building your email list, or anything else that you want to know about direct response marketing. Remember, guys, this is the #1 place on the planet for direct response marketing, period.